Is MDB Plus the safest investment in all of cryptocurrency? Well, we're going to take a look at the mechanics and how it may be impossible for the price to ever go down. Welcome back to APY Guy Crypto and DeFi, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, make sure you subscribe to my channel. MDB Plus is the safest of the three tokens in the Make DeFi Better ecosystem. MDB Plus is a stable-backed token offering guaranteed appreciation backed 100% by BUSD. How can a stable-backed token appreciate? Each MDB Plus buy and sell carries tiny taxes, 1% buy and sell combined, which is actually 0.75% buy and 0.25% sell, which goes straight into the liquidity pool. MDB Plus tokens are minted at purchase and burned at sale, meaning that the liquidity is always growing steadily higher than the number of tokens in circulation. So, sounds great, but we're going to find some proof behind that. So, if you go to the chart, I kind of mapped it out with trend lines. It started in May 20th of 2022, and it's steadily gone up from, it started at $1.10, and the current price is $1.15. It's hard, I put it in a line chart because with bars, it looks like that, which is crazy to look at, so this is a lot easier on the eyes. So it's gone up steadily since the inception, so it's all the way up to $1.15.9. So that's going up. So that's proof that it's going up. So there's been some, pretty big sells, pretty big buys. So how this works is when somebody is to buy the token, there's the buy tax, the 0.75 buy tax. That goes to liquidity. Then when somebody sells the token, all the tokens are burned. The MDB Plus tokens are burned out of circulation. Plus, there's a 0.25% sell tax, which goes to liquidity as well. So what I did is I ran the trend lines all the way to, all the way to like October, November, so we can see how it moves. So if you were to buy this today at $1.15, and then say we get to September, it could be a little over $1.15, or it could be all the way up to $1.21. So we'll keep an eye on this and see if it stays true to these trend lines and just keeps going up from the base with the added liquidity from the buys and sells. So I took this even another step further, and I went to BSC scan. So if we copy the token address, and we go to the scan and we paste it, and we can check out all the buys and sells. So then if we go up here, I guess the last sell was an hour and 38 minutes ago. So if we check out the transaction hash, it shows the transactions, and it does exactly what they're saying it does. Here's the sell tax, and then here's the tokens being sent to a burn address, a null address, so it's a burn address. And then here is the BUSD from the sell. So, this is proof right here on the transaction hash that it's exactly what they're saying they're doing, burning it completely. So technically it's impossible for the price of the token to go down, because if it's sold, it's burnt out of circulation, so there's less of it. So you would think that the price would go up then if there was a huge sell then, which makes no sense in the world of regular markets, but that's the way it would work technically. So a sell would be less MDB Plus in circulation. Okay, really quickly, I want to show you how to buy it again. Similar to MDB. To buy MDB Plus, you can use it PancakeSwap, or you can use the contract directly. I use the contract directly whenever I'm buying any of these tokens on this protocol. You send BNB to MDB. Plus contract. So the contract's right here on the page with MDB Plus on the ecosystem page. And then you would copy and paste this into your wallet to send BNB to this contract address. So you just copy it, paste it, and then send BNB to it. And then it automatically sends the token back to your address. So it's super easy and super fast. I've done it multiple times and it's worked great. Okay, I really like this project. Make DeFi better in general. The MDB Plus just gives it another really safe option. We saw the charts don't lie; it just goes up. So far, so good on that. And plus, it just gets burnt out of circulation when you sell. So it looks like the real deal. Okay, today, if you could leave in the comments what project you're bullish on that I haven't covered yet, I'd love to hear. I try to bring projects that you could still make money on. Not financial advice, obviously, but not, some projects that have been running a while, you had to get in really early to make money, and now it's too late. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to try to push people into projects that I don't think are still valid. So, yeah, just if you could, and then also like and subscribe if you like the content. I try to bring the best projects that I can that I think are going to do well in the future, especially and get through this bear market. So luckily I haven't had any go bad yet. Everything's been doing pretty well. So one last thing, we'll look at the chart for MDB, and it's doing really well. It's up to almost a penny. I've just been in the farm with the MDB BNB farm, and I'm getting daily tokens out of there, rewards, and I'm putting those into the regular MDB staking and just kind of growing my bag that way. So that's my strategy on it. Well, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Have a great day.